Most of the days on the farm aren't about the bigger projects. They're about fixing all the small things that actually keep this place running. This week is about sealing the ceiling, adding more storage to the kitchen, assemble the container for the pellets, and trying to bring the old tractor back to life. None of this really looks spectacular, but this is how a farm is built, one small job at a time. If we don't fix some of these things now, they can become a bigger problem later, and other jobs makes the life on the farm a lot easier. So today we focus on the basics. Welcome back to our farm in Portugal. Let's get to work. So today I'm going to assemble the container for the pellets, because up until now we had the bags with the pellets laying around, and since we're getting more and more comfortable and it's more and more like a home, we don't want the bags to lay around anymore. So that's it. And for some reason I still have some screws and bolts left, but everything is done as it should be. So yeah, just some spare parts I think. And now it's time to fill it up. Nice. When we bought this house, there were some cracks in the ceiling, like you can see over here. And we noticed that some cold is coming in, especially during the night. And therefore I'm going to fill up the cracks so the cold stays out. And yesterday I already started in the living area, and I hope to finish the living area and the bedroom today, and hopefully I can finish the kitchen tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'm going to assemble the cabinet for the kitchen, but I will not bother you with another 2 hours of assembling, so here we go. So we're done with the living room, and now it's time to start with the bedroom. First I'm gonna do this part of the bedroom, and after that I will do that part of the bedroom.